Hi everyone, in this new tutorial I will guide you how to insert line between paragraph in Word document. So for example, if you want to insert a line under the first paragraph, what you have to do is you need to click on insert on the above top menu bar and go to the shapes, and here under the lines select the styles of the line, and on the keyboard press the control key and drag the mouse to towards right side and draw a line. On the layout option, click on that and click square. Now you can move a line anywhere on the document under any line. Now right click and you will see that outlines. Click on that and here select the color of your choice, and under the weight you can select the width of the line. As I move the cursor to the line, you can see that the thickness of the line is increased. So it's up to you the thickness of the line you want to choose. I'm selecting 2 and 1/4 pt. Moreover, you can also go to the dashes. If you want to select the dashes, then you can select dashes instead of line. So these are the different options. You can also select any of them. So here is the style. You can also select the colors of style. Choose any color which you suits your projects. These are the some pre-built lines, and this is the theme styles. So in this way you can easily insert line between paragraph in Word document. So I hope you have learned something new. If you think you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.